Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to share with you my Julie Nutting doll that I got for my December swap. It's the year of Julie Nutting dolls, and this is my December one. I didn't know that I thought I wasn't going to get one because I waited for it, but my neighbor got it in her mailbox and she kept it and she forgot. So she finally gave it to me because I met her at the mailbox the other day, and I go, you know what? Mail is so slow. And she goes, oh my God, Jay, I got your package. Let me bring it over. She goes, I got a couple of packages for you. I got to bring them over. I go, oh, thank you very much. I wonder if my thing. And here it is, my swap. So, this is my tag. Oh, she sent me something. Look at that. She sent me something. Oh, rosette made of fabric. Wonder how she did that. And she got the big clips. Thank you. Oh. And she gave me some, here comes Santa, shapes. Oh, look at that Santa. Oh, look, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so very much for the gifts. I know we weren't supposed to be gifts, but in my tag, I put a little gift in it for a friend, too. Oh, and she has it so nicely wrapped. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this bag. This is beautiful. You know what? I need to take more time when I wrap mine. I do. Okay, this is my, just says 2J Tag Swap 2020. Oh, look, there's the truck. A little Santa, a star, another rosette. Oh, she made this rosette out of crepe paper. Oh, and I love that flower. Look at this, you guys. Oh, look at her. She has on her Christmas dress. Snowflake. She got lace on the bottom. Oh, she's an angel. Look, she has wings. Really nice bow. Wonder if she tied that bow, because I can't tie a bow to save my soul. I had to get the bow dabbler to help me out. Oh, look, and it has the truck background. Look. Christmas lights. This is pretty. Pom-poms, some presents. Oh, she sent me an angel. And this is from, this tag is from Susan Klein. Susan, thank you. Thank you so much. An angel tag. Oh my, for Christmas, that's just perfect. Thank you very much. So that's my year of Julie Nutting tags, and this is the Christmas tag from Susan Klein. Thank you, Susan. This is beautiful, and thank you again for the gifts. Thank you, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon in the next video. If you want to look at the tags that I've gotten previously, go to my playlist, Julie Nutting Tags, and you'll see my tags there. Also, if you want to know how to make a Julie Nutting tag, I have a video that shows how to make the video that's Julie Nutting tags. And if you want to get involved in Swap for a year of Julie Nutting tags, I'll post everything down in the comments down there. And you can see where to go and get all the information. I mean, there's no, if you don't want to do one month, you don't have to. It's done by Sparkling Char. You know what? Donna, Powered by Creativity, and Karen Small Crafting, I think. But those are the ladies that are doing it, and you can also jump over to their channels and see what they're doing, but it's like no commitment. You can do one this month if you feel like it, and then you don't have to do one the next month because you're busy. But you can keep in, it's a whole year of them, so I can't wait to get all my ones, but I love this one. Thank you very much, Susan. I talk to you all in the next video. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you like the doll. Give me a thumbs up if you like my channel. Press that subscribe button to become one of the people here to journey with me on my Tjayebirds journey. Thank you. Bye, everyone.